94-year-old woman driving into incoming traffic. Looks really crazy.
And on and on. And so we're reorganizing the agency to consolidate those things. One, to eliminate the redundancy and to streamline the agency. Most importantly, to redirect it.
This video clip makes us understand that we must always be focused on the road. This guy did a great job.
God forbid you had walked my little shoes. Does anybody not know what?
Oh shit! Look! Oh my god! Holy shit! And he's back on the road. Oh my god!
The dumbass made no effort to secure his load, but what would you do to that guy? Idiot. Literally can't wait 20 seconds for the car in front of me to load their baby in the car seat.
What am I gonna do?
Driver honks, then gets out to yell at me, and the rest is history.
Chill out. I'm going right in there. God damn it.
He quickly changes pace when he sees that I had already dialed the police.
Hi, I just had a guy run into my car. I'm sorry,
Love how he honks back at me. Okay, bud, at least I can see solid lines.
You don't! That's not your lane, dude!
Headed home this morning and narrowly stopped in time. I know I was in the wrong here, but please don't do what I did.
Holy shit!
Are you gonna do that?
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
No, it's okay. I'll wait. What would you call such people?
Why did it look like that? Seriously? What in tarnation?
The guy on the moped just gets out and goes to the target. A police officer failed miserably in his attempt to stop a fight on the road. A Russian man tracked down his wife's lover and attacked him on the road. Watch until the end. What happened next?
Тяни его! Тяни! Дай, вот, правильно!
Поехал отсюда, не делай это!
Вызывай наряд! Палкой бей его, по ушам дай! По ушам дай!
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because more to come.